Welcome to all of you, and in this video we will discuss the DDQ. Okay, the name of this DDQ is dichlorodicyanoquinine. Okay, so dichloro means two chlorine will be present. Okay, which is attached to the quinine moiety. Okay, and dicyano means two cyano group will be present. Okay, so two groups of cyano and two chloro is present in the on the quinine, means it is substituted by chlorine and nitrite. Okay, so chlorodil also work as DDQ. Okay, so you can say it is mimetic, not similar, but it is mimetic to the dichlorodicyanoquinine. Okay, because only difference is nitrile with chloro. Okay, so DDQ, if you see the physical nature, then it is yellow in color and solid in nature. Okay, so application of DDQ, it is used for unsaturation, oxidation of alcohols, aromatization, cyclization, salt formation, and insertion of oxygen. Okay. So if any organic reactions carried out and there is a requirement of unsaturation, oxidation of alcohol, aromatization, cyclization, insertion of oxygen, and salt formation, then you can use the DDQ. Okay. So when DDQ react with compound having allylic and benzylic hydrogen, then first of all DDQ abstract the hydride from allylic position and then proton abstract. Okay, in this reaction carbocation form as intermediate. So if rearrangement possible, then rearrange carbocation. DDQ is as a dehydrogenating agent. Okay, so okay, so it is used first of all. What happened here? DDQ abstract hydrogen. Okay, from allylic position. Allylic position, you should be know about the allylic position. This is the allylic. Okay, this is the allylic bond. Okay, and in this reaction carbocation form as intermediate. Okay, when abstraction of hydrogen takes place, carbocation will be formed like that. Okay, and so rearrangement possible, the rearrangement carbocation means carbocation का आपका rearrangement होगा, most stable carbocation बनेगा. Okay, DDQ is used as a dehydrogenating agents. Okay, means it releases hydrogens. Okay, so palladium, charcoal, or selenium also used as dehydrogenation or hydrogenating agents. You can also see the palladium ka charcoal in hydrogen. Okay, act as a hydrogenating agents. Okay, so palladium, charcoal, or selenium dehydrogenation used as dehydrogenation, and palladium, charcoal, and hydrogen also act as a hydrogenating agents. Okay. So if reaction is carried out, this is the allylic moiety. Okay, and if you use DDQ, then double bond means unsaturation takes place. Okay, so your product will be this one. Okay, so the mechanism you can see here. This is the first of all obstruction of hydrogen. Okay, so obstruction of hydrogen किससे होगा आपका quinone, this oxygen. Okay, सो ऑक्सीजन से जब होगा तो आपका कहाँ जुड़ जाएगा, ऑक्सीजन से ये हाइड्रोजन जुड़ेगा, यहाँ पे कार्बोकेटाइन फॉर्मेशन होगा. ठीक है, अब क्या होगा, ये हाइड्रोजन जो आपका एलाइलिक पोजीशन पे है, ये आपका क्या क्या करेगा, इसको आपको न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा. ठीक है, तो ये आपका शिफ्ट होगा इस पोजीशन पे. ठीक है, तो ये आपका न्यूट्रलाइज होगा. ठीक है, अटैक देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, ऑक्सीजन जब भी ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट किया, देन ये एरोमेटाइजेशन हुआ. यहाँ पे चार्ज कहाँ पे गया, ये माइनस, ये चार्ज हाइड्रोजन को ऑब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर लेगा फर्दर, and this bond will be break down, means this electron density will be shifted on this. Okay, okay, so your product will form this one, and this is called QOHOS. This will form after using these reagents. Okay, so again you can see this one CS2 CS3. Okay, so here what happens, unsaturation takes place via this mechanism, above mechanism. Okay, so you can see when DDQ is used, first of all obstruction of hydrogen takes place, which is allylic. This is this one. Okay, so this is the allylic hydrogen, and after that this what happened here. Yes. Okay, so you can see here, first of all this hydrogen will be abstracted by this one, means converted to OH, and after that this aromatization takes place by which O minus will be formed. Okay, so it O minus will attack on the acetic acid, this abstracted this hydrogen, not this one. Okay, so forming the this one. Okay, and after that what taken place, CH3CO will attack on this one charge, means charge will neutralize by acetic acid, forming the this product. Okay, similarly you can see this one, this also form the double bond here. Okay, and you can see also this one, and in this aromatization takes place. Okay, and it will attach from this one. Okay, so it is at conjugate position, you can say. Okay, like that. Okay, similarly you can see here aromatization takes place, converted to benzene ring, and you can see this one ch2 ch2 ch2i2, when will added it from the ch2, means double bond converted to one carbon. This is the methane. Okay, so it insertion of ch2 takes place in place of double bond. Okay, so it is converted to this one. Okay, and after you will add ddq, then it is converted to, means aromatization takes place in this ring. Okay, and if you add two equivalent, then what happen here, this ring also aromatize and this bond will be breakdown. How it is breakdown, you can see, first of all you will add ddq. Okay, so it is converted to O minus by aromatization, means abstract, this hydrogen will be abstracted first of all by this region, and this hydrogen after that uh, electron density is shifted this, and it will neutralize. So double bond, this conjugated double bond will be formed. Okay, and after you will add ddq, then what happened, this bond will be breakdown and this whole ring will be aromatic. Okay, and it is 10 pi electron, 2 to 4 to 6 to 10. Okay, to 8 to 10. Okay, so ddq firstly hydrogen abstraction, then hydrogen abstraction. Okay, H minus पहले क्या होगा, H minus abstraction, then H plus abstraction. Okay, so you can see this one. So if you add ddq, then how what taken place, this ring changes to aromatic. Okay, and how it is changes, first of all abstraction of hydrogen takes place, by which cation will be formed and it will abstract, H minus will be released out from this and it is converted to aromatic ring. Okay, simple mechanism. If you consider one mechanism, this mechanism will be follows in all reactions. Okay, so similarly you can see this one, in this aromatization takes place. Okay, by above mechanism, but here methyl shift takes place. Okay, so so this methyl will be shifted on this, for during first of all you can see here, when you will ddq, first of all this will abstracted and double bond form here. Okay, again this hydrogen, if you add ddq, then this will be abstracted and formation of plus takes place, means carbocation takes place. So this this carbocation will be this carbocation will be neutralized by this, means 1,3 methyl shift takes place. Okay, so this ch3 will shifted on this and cation will be formed here, you can see this one. Okay, and it will neutralize by this one, this the single bond. Okay, so by which this aromatization takes place. Okay, and it is converted to, means this is the byproduct of this one. Okay, when reaction will completed. Okay, similarly if you add this ddq, so first of all cs, this bond will, this s will be released out, forming the cation. Okay, and after that this will be neutralized by this. Okay, and when it is neutralized, this carbon feels positive charge and this positive charge will be, this be balanced by this one. Okay, so it will be formed. Okay, so this ring will be formed here. It is very important reactions for CSIRL. Okay, and again if you see this one, this is the double bond, and this double bond, first of all the hydrogen will be abstracted by ddq, forming the cation, and this electron density then shifted to this carbon. Okay, and that's why 5-member ring will be formed, and when it will attack, it also feels positive charge here. Okay, and okay, which is balanced by this hydrogen. Okay, so it is a three reaction, it is very important. This reaction is very important and this is also important. Okay, so if you add ddq, first of all this will be yes, H will be released out, which is allylic position. Okay, this one is allylic, cation will be formed and it will released out, okay, and it is balanced by this lone pair of electron of oxygen atom, okay, for having the this six membered ring, okay, you can see including oxygen, okay. So after that what takes place, okay, this is your product, okay. So when it will neutralize, this hydrogen will be released out and forming the this species, okay, and your product will be this one, okay. Similarly, you can see this one, it is very important and it is also important, okay. So allylic carbon is allylic hydrogen is which allylic hydrogen, oh sorry, it is in this electrocyclization takes place. First of all, electrocyclization takes place by which your product will be this one, okay. How it is possible, this will shifted here and this will attack on this and this like that. So first of all, electrocyclization takes place, it then this hydrogen act as a allylic, okay, and by that mechanism this form these products, okay. Similarly, you can say DDQ. First of all, this hydrogen will be released and cation will be formed, which is balanced by C all, means this will neutralize by ClO4. Okay, and after that, okay, so this product will be formed, means quasi aromatic salt will be formed in this. Okay, so this reaction is also have been asked in CSIR exam, and again you can see this is the hydrogen and it is also from quasi aromatic salt. Okay, so again you can see these type of when you will add four equivalent of this mighty, okay, pyrrole. Okay, so it will forming the this species, means porphyrin will be ring will be formed, okay. So it is very important and for inorganic, means both for inorganic and organic reactions, okay, because several types of porphyrin has been changed by adding any cations, okay, which is responsible for color or other properties, okay. So I think two or three reactions is remaining. So similarly, you can see this one CH2H is also converted to CHO. How it is converted? First of all, this hydrogen will be abstracted, forming the cation, and again this minus charge will attack on this, is forming the ketone. Okay, so it is converted to aldehyde. Okay, and similarly you can see it is also converted to CO. Okay, DDQ, so similarly you can see it is oxidized, mean DDQ act as a oxidizing dehydrogenation is not possible, then allylic and benzylic position oxidized to its carbonyl, okay, so it is converted to CHO. Okay, so mechanism takes place by this one. First of all, CH2 will be formed, which is jointed by this one, okay, and after that when you will add extra DDQ, then it abstracted the allylic hydrogen, okay, forming this cation, which is neutralized further by this one. And after you, if you add water, then it form hydronium ion, means H plus ion will be abstracted by this one, converted to CHO. Okay. Similarly, you can convert DDQ, means if you want to convert any aliphatic, means any allylic position to ketone, then you can add DDQ. Okay. So it is all about and very important reactions for CSIR net GATE and MSc during MSc exam and MSc and pharmaceuticals. Okay, means all the, you can say in pharma, organic chemistry, pharmaceutical, industrial. Okay, all area covers by these reasons. Okay, so it is very important and okay, so if you want to go for CSIR net, then please concentrately see this region, okay, because it is very important. Okay, so thank you for all for watching this video. Okay.